Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you about our document settings on TranZact, which is available in your settings module. So let us quickly go to our settings module. You need to click on browse modules, then you need to go to settings. Once you will come in settings, please check here is the document option. Click on this. Now here is the list of all the settings which are available in document. So the very first is your logistic detail. Here you can go ahead and create your masters of logistic detail, which you can fetch in the document. Talking about the next, which is term and condition, you can add multiple term and condition as per the sales, as per the purchase, and accordingly you can click on add term and condition and you can add it here, and then after you can use the same and select the same while creating the document or in the document, like purchase order, order confirmation, or invoice. Document number format will help you in defining multiple document series of any document, or you can set up your own series on the document itself. So you need to click on add new series, and from here you can go ahead and define the document series. We do have a custom format as well. So through custom format you can go ahead and select the month, financial year, and accordingly can go ahead and just mention it. So let me show you. Suppose I am adding a new series. So template is PO, then after I will just mention dash. Now I want financial year P1 and financial year P2. So what I will do, I will quickly just go ahead and make the changes. Just copy it, paste it. Now please check. This is how your document series will look like. Click on save. You can very well go ahead and set up the reset type as well. So click on custom format, and here you will get the financial year and save it. Now the reset type is financial year. So this is how you can use the document number format. In transporter details, you can go ahead and mention and create a master of your transporters. The document fields help you in going ahead and creating the custom field on document level. So you can select any document from here, and then after you can create a custom field here. Now, next is item. It will help you in adding custom fields on item level, and the option will help you in enabling the option like on the documents, like on invoice you want to show the barcode number, logistic detail, or image preview. You can quickly go ahead and select and unselect it. So this is how you can use your document setting in order to go ahead and define the master, and then after you can use it. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.